Pop loves popsicles. It's snack time. All the farm animals are brunching and munching on their snacks, but Pop had nothing for snacks. Do you want some cheese? Said the mouse. No, I can't eat that, Pop replied. Then the rabbit said, I can spare a carrot. I can't eat that, says Pop. The rooster came along with his corn. Perhaps you can have some corn. I don't want that, says Pop. Hey, Pop, you can have my banana, said the monkey. But that's your key, Pop exclaimed. Let's eat these vegetables together, said the pig. Hell no, that's nasty. Bleh! Pop screamed. Do you want some yummy grass? Asked the sheep. Oh, I will never eat that, Pop replied sadly. You can have one of my apples, said the donkey. I'm gonna choke with that, said Pop. Let's share some hay, says Cow. I don't like to eat that too, said Pop. Hey buddy, do you want popsicles? Vicky asked Pop. Yes, I love it, and I want some, Pop replied happily. You can have this chocolate popsicle. Wow, this looks so good. Thanks, Vicky, said Pop. That feels good and yummy, guys. Do you love popsicles too? I really love popsicles. Pop was happy and Vicky made his day Popsicles. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Remember to subscribe and click on the notification bell to receive more of my videos. Bye.